Kiumia kimwe thutha wa muingi kuonania matuko ya kugerera nenda-ini cia kiriu cio kinyaneria thutha wa andu kiumbe kuonekana mari na micinga ya kibiraro hindi ya tharikira mukawa-ini wa Andu CD2 guku Nairobi. Riu minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Matiang'i ni arutite watho andu kiumbe aria mahetwo marua ma gukorwo na micinga meyandikithie weru kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe ukite.
Every licensed firearm holder will have this card, and you can see it's got a microchip. It's a card issued by the Firearm Licensing and Control Board. It's got a microchip. It's got all the details of the firearm holder. This card, everyone who is licensed to hold a firearm in Kenya, every civilian who's licensed to have a firearm, must now have this card. And we are not going back on this arrangement.
Akiaria mwena wa gicua-ini hindi ya kigomano kia maabitha nene ya borithi na ruhonge-ini rwa wathani wa matura, Matiang'i ni ongereire kuuga mutaratara uyu utanyitwo kugacirithia ugitiri wa muingi na kuhitana na kuongereka gwa ciiko cia wikinai na nduguthatio kana thirikari igwagwe gutigirira ni wakinyanira.
The police officers in this room know the pains we have gone through. We collect cartridges, we are not able to trace the guns because they are not registered anywhere. We are fighting crime and we are committed to fight crime. My brothers and sisters from the police force understand this. Let us stop this sometimes public relations engagements we do when it involves the security of our people.
Mwaka muhituku igerio tariri ria guthurima andu kiumbe aria mahetwo marua ma gukorwo na micinga ni ria tungirio igutha thutha wa gikundi kimwe kiria kiitaga National Gun Owners Association guthii igoti-ini na mibango eno ikirugamio ni igoti.
I am aware that a group of people has gone to court. They're called NGAO, National Gun Owners Association. The others who are not members of NGAO have no problem. The members of NGAO seem to have a problem with registering. They have gone to court and the court has stopped us from dealing with them.
Okahinda-ini kau Matiang'i ni ateterithitie wirutiri wa thirikari kugurana na itoi cia Al-Shabaab akiuga bururi ndukuguoyohio kung'ethanira na itoi ici hamwe na aria manyitanagira nacio.
As the security sector, we remain resolute and committed to ensuring that we discharge our duties effectively. Let us ensure everyone who was involved directly or indirectly is brought to account.
Watho wa Matiang'i ukite thiku nini thutha wa uria wari muhuraniri wa giturwa kia ubunge wa Starehe kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Steve Bogo kuhungwo mahuri-ini ma obitha a borithi cia uthuthuria thutha wake kuonekana na gotora ya kibiraro hindi ya tharikira ya Andu CD2.